Hello everyone. If you are a UI UX designer and if you looking for a good case study, then this video is for you. I think this video is very helpful for you if you are a UI UX designer. So the website is Growth.Design. When you came to this website, you will see a email submission option. Here you give your email address like this. I am give my email address. So after type your email address, you just click here, and few times later you will get an email from this website. So I'm just waiting for that. Okay, I got the mail from this website, so I just click here, and here you see the confirmation mail. Just click here, just click here, and after few times later you will see 37 UX case studies. So this case study is actually unique. Like if you are looking for TikTok case study, then just click here, and this website follow gamification style. So after loading, you will see TikTok case study. So you can backward and forward from here. So you just click here, and by clicking here one page forward like this, and you just read the text. This is actually storytelling style UX case study, and in this way you can see other UX case study, 37 total UX case study right now. And here you see other case study like Trello, Hey, Headspace, and others. Here you see LinkedIn, YouTube, and other website and industry UX case study. So I think this is very helpful if you are a UI UX designer. So that's all about our today's video. If you think this video is helpful for you and maybe helpful for your UI UX design friends or colleagues, then please share this video with them. Thank you very much.